As usual, Dollar Tree did not disappoint because a ton of new stuff has come out recently, or at least at my stores, that I've personally never seen before. And the first thing are these nylon cords. They're really great, love the vibrant colors, and great for DIYs. Then also, while I was in the automotive section, I found these Refresh lemon scents, and then even a new car scent, and they looked really cute. I don't know if they're worth the dollar because they're really small, but I bought one, so hopefully the smell is really powerful. Next up are these vases. Now this is pretty amazing because I feel like they haven't come out with new shapes, and this is definitely a new shape for sure. Found some new stuff also in the autumn fall section, these pumpkin picks. I can't remember if they had these last year or not. Maybe the larger size, but I wasn't sure about the minis, but you do get 10 count for those. I didn't find, unfortunately, any other color but orange. In the teaching tree section, I found these over the chair storage fabric slip-ons that go over chairs. I think these are really great, come in so many different colors, and especially if you're a teacher and you need these to kind of save space, or if you're at homeschool mom, these are great to just kind of put over the chair, and you can just take them off at the end of the day and put them up. These writing prompts seem to be really new, caught my attention, and it helps children in the grades of 4 to 6 write fiction about all kinds of different things, and I'm just showing you all the different options that I was finding, and sharks, and it helps them with their writing skills and creative thoughts, etc. Next up is this LA Colors double take. I've never seen this ever. I think this is amazing. It definitely caught my attention. I thought all of the products, the way that it was packaged was really cute. I love that the effort LA Colors seems to be making, and I'm showing you an up close of everything that they were selling, and it's a double take, and they played off of the words, so you get double of everything in that category: eyeshadow, eyeliners, and all different colors as well, lip balms, and then they had lip glosses and eye pencils, and even some nail polishes by the double as well. And I was really impressed by the packaging. Not sure if the quality is great, but this is new for sure. Next up are these Frizzy Sticks. They're BPA and lead free, and what really caught my attention was that the sticker says Walmart.com. So obviously Dollar Tree purchased whatever Walmart was getting rid of, and they come in all different colors, and I thought these were really, really cool. I guess you can just throw them in your lunch or coolers, and they're just little free sticks. And of course, I'm just showing you that I found some more colors. Next up are these Bic brand name like dry erase markers. I'm showing you the Pro Marks, which is the kind that's always sold at Dollar Tree. And I'm showing you the new kind, which is brand. So definitely scoop these up, especially for your child if they need to use a dry erase board at home to kind of remind them or do math problems. And they have them in black as well. These are new. They were in the checkout line, and they have the Halloween type of packaging, but they're string lights in silver and orange. So I thought that was really cool. Would have loved to see purple and a green option, but silver and orange is great. Found these plush emojis. Didn't really care too much for them, but if you're into emojis, they have these, and they didn't seem to be any sort of keychain. They're just little plush toys. And up next are these little what are these? Oh, keychains, and they just seem to be like little kitty cats in different colors. They had these in beige, black, blue, a mauve color, and a pink color. And then next are these notebooks, the little sequins. I forget what they call these, but when you touch them, they turn a different color. So they have those in a notebook style now. They've been selling them in little pillows and things, and now they have them in notebooks. I only saw 3 different options, but comment down below if you've seen any other color. These air fresheners definitely caught my attention because they have a decade theme going on. The 70s with the album, the 80s with a cassette tape, which you know is my favorite. The 90s, they had a cute little CD. Excuse me. And then for the 2000s, they had a headphones. Comment also down below on this one. Let me know if there was any other decade that Dollar Tree is selling that I haven't quite seen yet. Next up are these over-the-door hooks. They're really cute and come in different patterns. These are great just as a space saver in a room or a closet, and the patterns are really cute too. This is pretty simple, but it was enough for me to want to film and show you, but these little Kleenex tissues came in different like little patterns. I love these. I have to have these in my purse at all times, especially in the fall and winter time. And now we're going to get into all things Halloween. So the rest of this video is everything new that I've captured for Halloween. This Happy Halloween sign in the black glitter was to die for. Loved it. And then the Beware signs and the Day of the Dead. If you watch my hauls, you know I hauled that white Beware sign, but I didn't see the black one because this was a totally different like shop with me or trip to the Dollar Tree. But this Black Hats Society is my favorite sign of all time, and you will see it in an upcoming haul. And then there's this cute little Day of the Dead theme, little stacked skulls and top hats. Really, really adorable. Sorry guys, my voice is kind of going out. And then they have, you know, decorative like boxes. Dollar Tree has always put out decorative boxes, but I always love to see what patterns they're gonna have out that's new. And then here is these little pumpkins. They had these for fall, but here's their version of Halloween. The Witch is in, Trick or Treat, really adorable, and lots of DIY opportunities with those. Now these little light up decors are definitely new. I haven't ever seen this black pumpkin. Maybe the orange pumpkin came out. I'm not sure about the black one. They have these in versions with the skulls as well. The owls are not new. The owls have been around, but I don't remember the skulls or the pumpkins, to be honest. And then here's another pumpkin style, and I'm showing you on the inside that if you just light it up, it just probably glows and looks really cool and creepy. And then here's just an entire like wall section of Halloween miscellaneous stuff and cups and things for parties basically, and they have all kinds of party decor and party stuff for goodie bags and paper plates. Absolutely love all of the things that you can do from a party perspective at Dollar Tree. I think it's actually really impressive that they do this. And Cast a Spell, those little napkins at the bottom there were really, really cute. And the little ice cube tray is really awesome. I mean, you could really throw a cute party, and I love all their stuff. All right, so let's move on to another little piece for fall. I know this is kind of random, but this was just I guess the order that I filmed in while I was in the store. But these little pumpkins are new. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I did not pick one up, but they do have those. This is probably super impressive, and in my opinion, next to that witch's sign, probably one of the best things that's ever come out for Halloween at Dollar Tree. But these faux books that are kind of like a little storage box are just perfection. I've never seen them come out with something look so realistic and honestly way more worth than $1 value. Here are these little bat decors. These are great to kind of throw up in your bathroom or leading up in your staircase if you have stairs in your home. I think these are really cute and come in different sizes. And these treat bags, now treat bags are not new at Dollar Tree. They always sell these whenever they have like this little party section, but it was the patterns that I was looking for because every year they're typically new. So I'm showing you all the different patterns and styles that they had to choose from. I think these are really cute, even if you just want to use these to like kind of do like an advent calendar bag. You guys know how much I love those. I feel like it's such a great tradition to start amongst your family and kids, and it would be cute to just kind of like throw in some little goodies every now and then for them in there. Here, I'm just showing you that they've put out the cards for Halloween, although I'm waiting for their handmade selection. I have yet to see those. Please let me know if they started putting those out at your stores. And then some of the very last things are their costumes. The Ninja Turtle shell, I really want to make Loxie a Ninja Turtle this year because my daughter loves the Ninja Turtles, so I think that would be really cute. She would love it. And then they had just had some scarves I wanted to share with you. And that's pretty much it for what I captured for what's new at my Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys are able to find any of this stuff if it grabs any interest for you. And I'm going to come out with some more DIYs and some hauls. So don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.